What's up, guys? Bad Bass and Adventures here, and I'm back from my saltwater adventures. I'm lagging ass on putting those videos together. I'm just trying to do a really good job. There's some really cool stuff that happened. I am today at a river that I love to fish. I haven't took my kayak out in I don't know how long. It's been a while since I took my kayak out. So got the kayak. I've got 2 rods here. Got like a Ned rig and a frog, 2 baits I haven't caught fish on this year for some reason or another. So 2 rods. I didn't deck the yak out like I usually do. There's a lot of walking, and then this place holds some big pools of water, so not ideal for carrying 6 rods with your tackle, my whole ice cooler setup holding all the rods. But if you haven't already, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Almost to 200 subscribers. That would be sick if I could get 200 subscribers. And yeah, hit that button, guys. I put out content. I love fishing. So here we go. Today's challenge: catch a fish on both of these lures. I have a couple other plastics, a couple hooks, not many more lures really though, to be honest. This was the goal here, so let's get to it. All right, guys, here we go. Got my 2 rods, got some water. Oh my God, I need to pay attention. And we're gonna get in the water here. Jesus, I could have not picked a better pair of pants to wear though down here. 1, I'm sure there's tons and tons of chiggers. And 2, well, 2, because all these damn sticker burrs. My legs hairs would be full. Look at, come on, kayak. Shaboom. Ah, yes, this water is much cooler than the lakes. So much life already in here, makes me feel good. Look at all this bluegill. Tons of bluegill, tons of little bass. This is what's up. Hell yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. This place is already looking tasty. The first spot now is right where that house is, way the hell out yonder. Way the hell out there. We got a little ways to go of walking before we get to the first pocket. Here we go. I might be able to see if I can get, at least if I can't catch these beautiful giant quads, I'm gonna have to show y'all them. They are absolutely beautiful and huge. Bottom's a lot slipperier, but straight rock, no pebble over here, so it's really slippery. Typically these fish are super skittish. I'm gonna get 1 shot at them. There's about 5 or 6 of them grouped up together that run through this damn thing like they own the place, and they do. So get 1 cast up in there. I should be able to get on one of them. God, I hope so. But guys, we're talking, if you didn't know, the beautiful, wonderful team I'm part of, Team CMB, Cottonmouth Bass. Check them out on Instagram. You can find them on YouTube. My buddy holds the world record. It might be a little unofficial just because he didn't have a buddy with him. Was caught on GoPro, but apparently that's not a witness enough. So this dude has right now though the world record for a quad bass. Keep in mind, a lot of people will say, oh well, quads are only in Texas. Yeah, so what? It's still a world record. There's a lot of fish you can't catch in random places. This happens to be our state fish, is the quad, and it's a crazy powerful beast of a fish. The ones I've caught all have been a pound and under. The biggest one I've caught is 1 pound exactly. They hit the bait, first of all, like a freight train always. Ooh, see, they're eating crawdads. Dang, I wish I didn't just muddy up that water. We're not gonna find it. But there's just I just seen the claws, no dads, just claws. But these fish hit so hard, like it's ridiculous. They're super aggressive. All right, guys, quick little update. Oh, I'm getting my ass kicked, but I've walked up to where the pond actually, not pond, river splits here. I've walked a good ways. The river splits and it actually like holds fish actually in this other side here too as well. And then we'll follow this down and it'll open up into one more big pool. So, been fishing for about an hour, no luck yet. I've had 3 bites. My fault. The wind's kind of, my fault. Hang on, I'm gonna get one. Of course it would start raining as soon as I make it 1.5 miles. 1.5 miles out here. Ooh, that's a good fish. It's a good fish. It's a good fish. Oh, it's a good largemouth. Yeah, boy, for out of this little spot, finally. Something. Oh, and just broke me off. No fucking way. Oh shit, you bastard, dude. These are powerful fish. I thought I was hung. Oh, yes. Yes, nothing special, but a nice little football. Whew. Out of this little spot. It looks good. I mean, there should be a lot in here, but I'll get a little picture of her and then let her go. Guys, let's put this little dude back where he belongs. Little football, about a pound, 1.5 pounds maybe even. Gone. Right up on that little bit of structure. Let's get back to it. That's a good one. Number 2. Hello, dude. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Take it. Out of this little creek. Hell yeah. Another little football. Later, little dude. Yes. Another one. That's a different fish, man. This little spot's loaded. They're just loaded in this little mat. Oh, number 3. Smaller. He's fired up though. Ooh, shit. Number 3. Oh my god! Oh, it's a. Is this a rock? Just the biggest. This is my biggest. I think it's bluegill, green ear, red ear. Holy fucking shit, guys! Oh my god, it's fucking huge. Holy shit, it's fucking huge. It's fucking huge. It's this huge. I can't tell. What is it? No. Oh. Dude, it's so girthy. Look at that. Is a giant. Yeah, that's gotta be green ear, red ear. I'm gonna sunfish, right? It's not a rock bass. Whoa. Monster. All right, guys. Got a couple pictures of this behemoth. It almost looks like a rock bass, but I know it's not. It might be. I don't know. Look how fat it is. Good release there. Hold on. So swole. Oh, look, there's another. Oh, that's a largemouth. Whoa, wicked. You think you're gonna sideswipe my bait? Oh my God, you are beautiful. Sorry I gutted you. You come over here trying to eat my bait, son. I'll fuck you up. Dude. Beautiful. See, that was not the same fish. It was just blown out. Alright, time to go. Now we know what these pecker woods are eating. Switch batteries and get on them. Go back out there. We could go down here. I don't want the water depths like over here. We're gonna press further in. I'm just gonna go balls deep. It's already rained on me. I've caught some fish. I'm excited now. We're going in deep. Oh, it's a good little largie. Oh, yes. That is what's up. Look at this little dude. Not a bad fish. Fishing this. I love creek exploring. This is one of my favorite things. Little creek exploring, guys. Oh, dude. Yes. Get him unhooked. All right, guys. Let's let this little dude go. Oh. Oh, oh. Look at him. How do you know to go that way? Right over there, I got him. Awesome. See if we can get another, see if there's any bigger ones lurking in here. That was a good fish. That's a good fish. Good fish, good fish, good fish. Good fish. Oh yeah, good one. Oh shit. Good fish, good fish. Good fish. Woo, baby. Hey, no. Stay down. Come here, girl. Come here, you little bitch. Yes. There we go. That's what's up. Little tree pounder. Gobbled the craw. Oh, yeah. Yes. Whew. There we go, baby. Yes. Man, this fish is thick. Thick. Look at that. Thick. Ate the old Okeechobee craw. Okeechobee craw. Oh. Yes. Yes, guys. Here's old girl. About to let her go. I did bring the scale. I'm curious now. I think she's about 3 pounds. Yeah, I'm gonna say 2.5. What are we on? No kilograms. Pounds. Let's just go ahead and use the hole I put in her mouth. 256. Nice little 2.5. Like I said, 3 pounds. Let's see how long she is. She's not much more than 15 inches or so. Yeah, mouth closed. Yeah, I lie. She's like 16.5. A little short football. Time for you to go home, football. You gonna go home or what? You just hanging out? There you go. Lady girl. Yes! I just switched over to the Another natural color, but towards the back side of it, I mean, it's got a lot more jazz. Whew! Get me pumped. Yes! Got him. Got him. Another one. Another good fish. Another good fish. Another good fish. Oh, another fat girl. You! Oh no, she flipped out. Oh my God, what am I doing? Oh, holy shit. This is crazy. This is crazy. That spot's loaded. That brush pile down there is loaded. Oh no. That brush pile's loaded. Yes! Look at that. That was a hell of a catch, boys and girls. I'm an idiot. And just another solid fish. This one's not as heavy. That bloody tail. Oh, I pounded your face in. You got the jigger. You got the hooks. Another good fish. Not as big, but definitely another good fish. Yes! Yes! All right, let's let this big girl go. There she goes. Another fish. Oh, there we go. Throw him down, you peckerhead. There we go, guys. Oh, that's another good one. That's another good fish. Not good fish, but another fish. Skipping baits right up against the shore, trying to get a couple more bites before I go home. Just crushing them the craws, dude, on a shaky head of all things, man. No. We are getting locked up in this freaking tree. We are not going nowhere. Another one. Looking for them big girls though. Whoo! Oh my God, that's a big ass snapping turtle. Motherfucker. There's a fish on this thing. Yep. Like if you just let it sit long enough, look at that, backlash to shit, and then, oh, that's a quad. Yeah, that's a quad. Yeah, that's a quad. No, this is all good stuff to fish. Hang on, just hang on the bottom of the boat, quad. That's a quad. Yeah, that is a quad. Oh, I gotta get that hook at you, bro. You gotta leave the bait sitting there, man. They'll eat it. There's some craw eating turds out here. Hang on, bro. Hang on, Mr. Quad. I got you, bro. Need to find my pliers. Find my pliers, I'll get the hook at you, bro. Look how gorgeous this fish is, guys. There's that quad bass. They're so pretty. I'm gonna take a couple pictures, got the hook out. It was just jammed really deep in the top of his mouth. Got him. Got him. Good fish. Nice cast, dude. He got up under that tree there. I seen him bust him a second ago. You might be able to see it in the film there. In the film from the GoPro. Look at that pale fish. Right up in there, way up under. Skipping game comes into play. That's where that skipping game comes into play. That's gonna be the last one tonight. Look at that. So pale. All right, bro. Yes. Hell yeah, guys, that was an exciting adventure. That one came through clutch, destroyed some bass for sure. That felt good, needed that. It is Monday, so it just makes the rest of the weekend it goes so much smoother when you smack around some bass. Let's see, Tuesday night I'm not gonna fish the little tournament, Tuesday night tournament at Travis. I'm gonna do Wednesday night at Lake Austin. So tournament footage, night tournament footage of all things, coming maybe Friday-ish. That'll be done somewhere around that time. But guys, if you enjoy these videos, you like the kayaking down the river and using the kayak, let me know in the comments down below. If you like tournament fishing, let me know. Tell me what you want to see. Saltwater? Yeah, I know, I've been slacking. Like I've said, I'm getting that saltwater footage out. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna do some tweaking on it, do some final touches. I'm trying to get that out. So guys, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you again, hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button, and I'll see you all on my next adventure.